Of the external examiner.
He's worked for 6 years.
Yeah.
We should give lot of importance to 6 years. And he has collected very good data. I saw his data. अच्छा खासा data collect किया है. So give him a pledge.
Madam, he is very talented also.
Yes, sir.
He is very contributory. He is contributing a lot for our department all the time. है ना?
And that is the real investment.
Yes.
6 precious years in doing research. So, with your permission, on the basis of his performance in the Open PhD Viva VC examination, with the permission of the external examiner, Professor Vidya Atangadi, and internal examiner, Professor Dr. Ahmed Hussain, I congratulate on behalf of the external examiner, Mr. Ganesh Kumar. Now onwards, after notification, he will be known as Dr. Ganesh Kumar.
Yes.
So, Vidya, I am very thankful to you. You have, out of your very busy schedule, joined online to conduct the PhD Viva VC. I wanted that you should